Meet Tyan. He's working hard but feels like his energy and focus are all over the place. He wonders, is there a better time to do things? That's when Tyan discovers When by Daniel H. Pink. The book dives into the science of timing, revealing how our performance and productivity are linked to the clock. He learns that when we do something is just as important as what we do. The book reveals how tapping into these natural rhythms can improve everything from work performance to decision-making. With these insights, Tyan changes his approach. Now, he tackles important tasks when his energy is at its peak and schedules breaks to recharge effectively. Thanks to When, Tyan has found the perfect balance, maximizing his productivity and well-being by simply choosing the right time for the right task. Unlock the science of perfect timing with When, The Scientific Secrets of Perfect Timing by Daniel H. Pink.